Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set and adjust the curves of your image with the Picsart app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Picsart app, then go to the plus icon to upload images and tap on proceed to choose the images from your device. And when you uploaded your images, you just tap on the one that you would like to edit. Then go to tools, at the tools section, and go to curves to adjust the curves on your image. Now it is set to chromatic, and to set the curves on your image, you can place these handlebars and you can move them around to adjust the curves on your image, as you can see very easily and intuitively. If you know how to use these options from Photoshop or from other photo editing apps, then it's going to be easier if you have experience with such techniques. But if you don't, it is also pretty easy to understand how it works, and you can work with them easily. You can set as many points as you would like to play with the curves of the image. Obviously, in the straight line is the image, the original version, like this, and from here you can start moving and playing around. So that's pretty much it, how you can do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.